Let's take a look at the first example. First, we have to multiply the leading integer by the third term. 5 times 12 is equal 60. Next, I have to find two numbers which multiply by each other are going to give me 60 and add to each other are going to give me 19. Okay? These numbers are 4 and 15. Why? Because 4 times 15 gives me 60 and 4 plus 15 will give me 19. Okay, 4 plus 15 gives me 19. Remember, this positive sign is telling me that all signs in the factors are going to be the same, and because this sign next to the second term is positive, both signs in my integers are going to be positive. Next, what I'm supposed to do? I'm supposed to rewrite this trinomial in this way. A squared, 5 times a squared, plus, now instead of 19, I'm supposed to write 15a plus 4a plus 12. 15a plus 4a is equal 19a. So this expression is equal to this expression. Next, I'm going to do factorization. Check what we can factorize from this trinomial. We have 5 and 15. And I have a squared and a. I can factorize from these two terms 5a. Inside of the parentheses, I'm going to have a plus 3 plus. From these two terms, I can factorize 4. Inside of the parentheses, I'm going to have a plus 3. Common factor for these two terms is a plus 3. That's why I'm going to factorize it. A plus 3. Whatever left, I have to write inside of the second pair of parentheses. So 5a plus 4. This is the solution to my problem. But let's verify if this is true. A times 5a is 5a squared. A times 4 gives me positive 4a. 3 times 5a gives me 15a. 3 times 4 gives me 12. Combine the like terms and you will have 5a squared 4a plus 15a gives me 19a plus 12. As you can see, we got exactly the same expression as we start with. So this is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at the second example. Again, we have to multiply the leading coefficient by the third term. 4 times 25 is equal 100. Next, I have to find two numbers which multiply by each other are going to give me 100 and add to each other are going to give me 20. These two numbers are 10 and 10. Because 10 times 10 gives me 100 and 10 plus 10 is equal 20. Okay, I have to get 20. Next, I'm supposed to rewrite the original trinomial, and I have to write this as 4x squared plus 10x plus 10x plus 25. 10x plus 10x is equal 20x. So this expression is equivalent to this one. Next, I have to check what I can factorize from this expression. I have 4 and 10. From these two terms, I can factorize 2, and I have x squared and x. I can factorize also x. Inside of the parentheses, I'm going to have 2x plus 5. From these two terms, I can factorize number 5, positive 5. Inside of the parentheses, I'm going to have 2x plus 5. The common factor for these two terms is 2x plus 5. That's how I'm going to factorize it. And whatever left, I'm going to write in second pair of brackets. So I'm going to have 2x plus 5. This is my solution. Let's check if this is right answer. 2x times 2x is equal 4x squared. 2x times 5 is 10x. 5 times 2x is 10x. 5 times 5 is 25. Combine the like terms. 10x plus 10x is equal to 20x. I have 4x squared plus 20x plus 25. As you can see, whatever I got is equivalent to my original expression. I'm supposed to say is identical. So that's why this is the solution to my problem.